Algeria. The official name of this country is Republic of Algeria. Algeria is the largest country in Africa and no doubt one of the lowest rated countries on the continent. There are so many amazing places to visit in Algeria. This beautiful country attracts millions of tourists every year. From gorgeous coastal cities with incredible architecture, from ancient Roman sites to desert villages, Algeria is an amazing country. Algeria is the largest country in Africa in terms of area. It is vast and very diverse and offers extraordinary experiences. But despite this fact, it is not a popular destination in Africa. But you must definitely include Algeria in your visiting list. For example, the long Mediterranean coastline, Sahara Desert dunes, mountains, magnificent ancient cities, Roman ruins, and other spectacular tourist attractions await you in Algeria. Let's talk today about the beautiful places of Algeria. Sahara Desert. Major tourist attractions, Sahara Desert is the most visited place in this country. Saharan region, where the never-ending sands and mystical and vibrant cities are enough to engage the imagination of even the most seasoned traveler. 4/5 of Algeria is covered by the Sahara Desert. The largest country in the continent of Africa, Algeria has a diverse landscape and lots to offer travelers. The journey from Europe is only a short one, but the difference between the two continents is immediately noticeable and provides a sense of adventure and intrigue for tourists. Algeria has many charming cities with winding streets and stunning architecture, Mediterranean coast, lush landscapes, and Roman ruins to rival anywhere in the world. Algiers. Algiers is the capital city in Algeria and has an estimated population of around 3,500,000. The city was founded by the Ottomans and is rife with history and beautiful architecture. The ancient Kasbah is a winding urban maze with streets flowing through the old town like streams. Also worth exploring is the Dar Hassan Pacha, which was once the city's most decadent mansion. The interior of the house has been under renovation since 2005 and is unfortunately closed to the public. The city of Algiers offers visitors from the West a stark and beautiful contrast and an intriguing glimpse into the past, present, and future of Algeria. Oran. Oran is the second city in Algeria, a vibrant port city with a plethora of character and beauty. Oran is an attraction in itself and features historic buildings, including beautiful mosques, the Kasbah, and the Led Theater. The range of beautiful architecture is probably the best of any city in Algeria. Oran is also a great place for scuba diving, sampling Algerian cuisine, and listening to lively rain music, which has its origins in the city. Constantine. The city of bridges, Constantine is one of the most amazing places to visit in Algeria. Constantine is a natural wonder that has turned into a wonder place for tourists over the years. The city was the capital of Numidia, followed by Roman Numidia, and it goes without saying that politics and power have always played a part here. Most of the city's buildings are accessible only by crossing a bridge over a large valley. This gives the city a sense of fantasy that has been retained since the time of the Romans. Despite the city's unique manner and its astonishing history, there is much to see here in terms of attractions. Tlemcen.
For stunning Moorish buildings in Algeria, there is only one option: Tlemcen. The buildings here can compete in beauty with those in southern Spain or Morocco. The town was important for the Romans, but sadly not much evidence has survived from those times. Sites include the Great Mosque, the Eiffel Bridge and waterfalls in the nearby National Park of Tlemcen. Tlemcen has its sights firmly set on the future and is currently in the process of building what will be the largest university campus in the country. Setif. One of the cities in Algeria that was founded by the Romans, Setif is located in the Little Kabylie region of Algeria and is more than 1,100 meters above sea level. The Roman ruins here are worth taking the time to study. Apart from the Romans, the French have also left their mark on the city. Sightseeing in the city includes the main square with Roman sculptures. Tourists come in large numbers to this city. Timgad. This is incredible places to visit in Algeria. If you love Roman ruins, you must visit this one. Timgad was built around the 1st century by the Roman Emperor Trajan, and it offers one of the best examples of Roman town planning and the layout of ancient Roman settlements. The highlight is the 12 meters high triumphal sandstone arch, theater and basilica. Timimoun. Another exceptional place to visit in Algeria is Timimoun. This is a dusty city famous for its red mud buildings set around a huge oasis with a jaw-dropping views of the sand dunes and salt lake which surrounds the city. On the streets of the town, you'll meet Berbers, Haratines, and merchants from Mali.